up. So we are, guys, going to the second sea. Come on. Yup. Can you take me to the second sea?
Yeah.
Laro yan ko yung dati.
Oh.
Eh? Laro ko yan? Hindi nga.
Oo, nilalaro mo yan dati.
Pero yung fan-made lang yun.
Nilalaro mo yan. Nangahabol yung train na monster. Train monster.
Yung nilalaro ko fake. Yung ayan, real.
Naka-online lang. Meron mo yung try mo, download ka lang. Ano laro yan?
Charlie Charles.
Monster si Charlie, no?
Huwag ko nga kung anong ganyan yun. Let's go, guys.
Ay,
You know that I have no money, so I'm broke. What is the stock right now? Come on. Okay, this is a lot of trash food. Okay. Yikes. Ay. Oh, the fruit. Okay. That's not bad. That's enough. Let's go to the ice castle.
babe.
Live stream yan? Live stream. Pwede mo siya ipatay. Dapat ka magkuha ng yung mga bombs. Kapag nasabog yun, matutusok sa yung mga spike. Na-target nga siya sa face.
Ang dami nag-test sa kanya, 225.
Famous siya.
Pwede ka pa napanood ng live kuya.
What? Come on, I take all this. Let's go. Bruh. Come on. Up. You know that I have ectoplasm 250, right? And I have the bones, right? What is it? 340. So I'm 500, and I need 12 fragments. So I already done it. So and I need 500 fragments. Okay, 5,000? No, 5,000. Okay, that's it. Yeah. So I've been grinding for years.
Bibing, oh.
Dude. Oh my.
Oh my god.
Two. Oh. Yeah.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Kill, buddy. Come on. Come on! Patay ka na, boy. Patay ka man, boy. Bruh, this second life. Oh my god.
Con đi đâu vậy? Đừng chạy ra ngoài. Dạ con gái ở đây. Con gái ơi, con ơi.
Oh yeah, man. I do not make shit. Okay, guys. So thanks for watching and thank you. And don't forget to like and subscribe.